5 seconds. Start. India is charting a bold course in space exploration with an array of visionary mission and projects approved by the Union Cabinet. These initiatives, led by the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), signal the nation's commitment to becoming a leader in space technology and research. From the upcoming Chandrayaan-4 mission and Venus orbit mission to the ambitious Bharatiya Antariksh Station (BAS) project, the Government of India is significantly expanding its space program during the Amrit Kal. These projects aim to enhance India's technological capabilities, foster industry collaboration, and strengthen the country's position in global space exploration. Chandrayaan-4 mission aims at developing and demonstrating key technologies required for returning to Earth after a successful lunar landing. This mission will also focus on collecting samples from the moon and analyzing them on Earth. Chandrayaan-4 is a critical step towards establishing India's capabilities for a human mission to the moon planned for 2040. This mission showcases advanced technologies for docking, undocking, landing, and returning safely to Earth alongside lunar samples collection and analysis. The successful soft landing of Chandrayaan-3 demonstrated vital technologies that only a few nations possesses. Building on this, Chandrayaan-4 will focus on returning lunar samples safely to Earth, a critical capability in future manned missions. The mission, managed by ISRO and expected to be completed within 36 months of approval, will have strong participation from industry and academia. All critical technologies will develop indigenously employment potential and technology spin-off for other sectors. The total funding required is rupees 2104.06 crore, covering spacecraft development to launch vehicle mission of LMV-3, external deep space network support for special tests for design validation. The ambitious Venus orbit mission (VOM) marks a major step towards in India's planetary exploration efforts beyond the Moon and Mars. Venus, the planet closest to Earth and believed to have formed under conditions similar to our own, presents a unique opportunity to study how planetary environment can evolve in dramatically different ways. This mission aligns with the government's long-term vision of advancing space exploration capabilities. The Venus orbit mission, led by the Department of Space, will place a scientific spacecraft in orbit around Venus. This mission to improve our understanding of the planet's surface, subsurface, atmospheric processes, and the sun's influence on its atmosphere. investigating cause behind Venus transformation from a potential habitable planet to its current state will provide crucial insight into the evolutionary path of both Venus and Earth. ISRO will oversee the development and launch of the spacecraft following its well established project management practices. The data collected from the mission will be shared with the scientific community, fostering further research. The mission is expected for launch in March 2028, offering significant scientific insight and various outcomes, particularly in answering unresolved questions about Venus. The nation is expected to strengthen India's capability for future planetary exploration with the potential to handle large payload and optimize orbital insertion technique. It is also involves extensive collaboration with Indian industry for the spacecraft and launch vehicle, creating significant employment opportunity and technological benefits across sectors. In addition, academic institutions will play a key role in training students in areas such as design, development, testing, and calibration in the pre-launch phase. The mission's advanced instruments will generate new valuable data for the Indian scientific community, creating exciting new research opportunities. The construction of the first module of the Bharatiya Antariksh Station BAS-1 marks a significant expansion of the Gaganyaan program. This mission paved the way for mission aimed at developing and validating the technologies required to build and operate the Indian Space Station. The revised scope of the Gaganyaan program will now include precursor missions for BAS, additional hardware requirements, and the inclusion of an additional uncrewed mission. The Gaganyaan program, initially approved in December 2018, was designed to launch human space flight missions to low Earth orbit LEO and lay the groundwork for India's long-term ambitions in human space exploration. The expanded vision of Indian space program during Amrit Kal includes establishing an operational Bharatiya Antariksh Station by 2035 and sending an Indian crewed mission to the moon by 2040. The program will involve missions to be completed by 2028, including the launch of the first unit of BAS-1. ISRO will lead the Gaganyaan program, working closely with industry, academia, and other national agencies. 4 missions under the current Gaganyaan plan are expected by 2026, followed by 4 additional missions focused on demonstrating and validating technology for the space station by December 2028. India will acquire vital capability for human space missions LEO through the establishment of BAS. This national space facility will significantly enhance microgravity based scientific research and technology development. The resulting technological advancement will likely lead to innovation across multiple sectors. Additionally, the program is expected to spur increased industrial participation and economic activity, generating employment particularly in high-tech fields related to space and allied industries. Full stop.